Hello audience, you're welcome to Afolat Tutors. In this video, we'll look at how to type and how to highlight words. Then we'll look at how to bold and underline some sections or all parts of the sentence. Now let's start by looking at Microsoft Word. To highlight Microsoft Word, you take your cursor to either the right or the left. So let's take it to the right, then we'll press the shift button and the left arrow. To bold, you press Ctrl B. You press the shift button, then the right arrow. So while you, let me use an on-screen keyboard so that you understand what I'm saying. So this is keyboard. You press the shift button and an arrow, whether you are going right or left, up or down. So when you press the shift button, now if my cursor is here now, you will now press down the shift button. You will not release the button, then you press the right arrow. So I press down the shift, then the right arrow. You go one, you press the arrow one after the other. Then you highlighted the word. Then you press Ctrl B again to bold it. Then you go to the font size. You can click. Then you choose whatever size you want. Let's say I'm choosing 18. To underline, you press Ctrl U. To remove the underline again, you press Ctrl U. To remove the bold, Ctrl B. Ctrl B also to bolden it. Then you also press Ctrl B to unbold the text. Let's assume I would like to underline Microsoft only. So you press the shift button followed by the right arrow. Shift, then you go one after the other. You press the arrow one after the other. Then you press Ctrl U. So in this case, I'm underlining only Microsoft. But if I want to highlight everything in a document, you can press Ctrl A to highlight everything. When I say Ctrl A, this is Ctrl key and this is the A letter. So when you press down the Control button, you just press the A button. Another thing we'll look at is how to type capital and small letters. If your caps lock is on, whatever you type appears in capital letter. If my cursor is here, I want to go to the next line, you press enter button to go to the next line. Then whatever you type appears in capital letters if the caps lock is on. Is it clear? Then you use it. If you want to type small letter, you click on the caps lock again. Then you continue typing. Everything will be in small letter. You want capital letter again, click on caps lock, then you type. Small letter, you go back to the caps lock, then you type. Then space, you want the capital letter, you use caps lock, then you press P. You go back to small letter, you press the caps lock again, then you. Now you now understand the function of caps lock. Caps lock is used to type either small letter or capital letter. So we'll stop here. Kindly subscribe, share and like our videos. Thank you.